Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Marshall Mode 2 wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling earbuds and you need to pair them with your iPhone, your Android, your tablet, any kind of Bluetooth device, either for the first time or if you're trying to pair a new device after things have already been paired. Because these earbuds will remember up to 4 paired devices, and once they've been paired to something, when you turn them on, they will automatically pair to whatever they were most recently paired with of those up to 4 available. And then once you pair more than 4, it will start deleting the oldest one on there. But anyways, if you want to add a new device, all we need to do is with our earbuds in the case and the lid open like so, we're just going to press and hold this little golden button, the little button on the top right here. This is the pairing button for 2 seconds until the LEDs on the earbuds themselves will start to blink in blue. Then we can go to our phone and from the go to the list of available Bluetooth devices and select these Mode 2s from them, and they should automatically pair from there. Now, if you are having pairing issues, it's not working, I suggest you could try a factory reset, which will wipe everything off of them, and then you can start fresh, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that. But if this worked for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.